going on, everybody? Yeah, it's October. Earlier I said I was done when I was checking these boxes, but I figured what the heck. To keep the videos shorter, I inspected these two, and I'm going to make a separate video for this one. If you don't know the history on these hives, I bought these hives, I don't know, 3 weeks ago-ish, maybe-ish, 4, maybe last month. From a guy, 5 hives, so it was pretty awesome. These are all home-built stuff. This will be my second time in here. In the first video, watch it, there was a disaster. Got stung a bunch. One of the guys comments because I keep slamming my smoker on the top of my hive, which is probably right. What is that? Ha, cool. Check this out. What's up there, guy? Got herself a gopher tortoise. These are protected. I am not allowed to disturb him. Pretty cool. I like tortoises. That's awesome. Hey, guy. What's up? He's a little one. Pretty cool. All right, well, anyway, let's get back to the bees. I apologize for my short attention span. Alright, let's hopefully adjust this so you can see me and what I'm doing. And it's probably not a smart idea to put this on a plastic lid. But anyway, I have no clue what I was just talking about. So I guess I'll just get into this hive. Oh yeah, 400 subscribers. Thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate it. I hope you keep coming back watching my videos. I enjoy doing this. That's why I'm out here in October. Normally, I don't come out here. I never come out here this time of the year. But it's in the high 70s, maybe low 80s right now. So figure why not, you know. But anyway, yeah. I had a lot of comments on this hive. I had a lot of comments on the Better Bee box. I just had a lot of good comments lately. Thanks, everybody. That turtle's running back in the woods. Ah, see ya. Sorry. Yeah, short attention span. But anyway, yeah, I had a lot of comments. I thank you, everybody, for all your comments. A lot of good ones. Not too many negative ones. That's good. I don't care. You know, if you want to give me a negative comment, do it. It helps me out. It does. If I need to work on something, you know, whatever. Let me know. But anyway, I want to get into this. So, before I do that, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Let's push for 500, man. That'd be awesome. Hit that like button too. So, let's do it. Let's get into this Let's get into this hive. Check her out. Smoker's going out. Blowing ashes everywhere. You gotta be careful. You know, you don't want to burn your bees. Okay. No ants. No ants. No ants. No ants. Ants! Great. Ugh. Not the whole lot. It's a dead bees. Alright, you remember which side it is? Was it this side? Was it this side? Ah, was this side. Okay. I remember there was a disaster going on right here. I know, I don't remember your name. I know, I keep smacking on top of this, I know. But, I don't know. I don't know why I do that. Too much of this going on in here. I could tell you that right now. Too many blanks. Ugh. So with that said, I am going to block off the other entrance over here because I don't want them coming over here building on us. Not yet. So there's no drones over here, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Leave it on the old ventilation side of the little thingy, screwy thingy, entrance thing. Oh my gosh, why are you stuck on here so bad? Oh gosh. These are all blanks. So this spring, I will be checkerboarding these in. Definitely. Because here's two more blanks. Is this one of the bad ones? It's not too bad. I think I'm going to move this over here. No honey. Heard some yelling. Alright. So if I remember right, it was 2 frames that were connected. Was it 2 or is it more than 2? Oh, it was more than 2, that's right. Oh my gosh, there's 3 frames connected. Okay. Woo! Man, that made a huge thump. Oh my gosh, that is just solid. Okay, so my goal is to just get rid of this queen excluder. It's a great craftsmanship. He did a good job on it, but I don't know. I don't really care for this in here. Oh my goodness, I can't even get this to come out. So the only thing, what I'm trying to do is trying to move this over and put this in there. That's it. This hive's got a lot of honey. Alright. Oh my gosh. It is so purplized down here. Oh my gosh, that is purplized big time. I remember that. Okay, let's see if I can really pry on this. Break that purplish. Oh, there it goes. Some of it's moving. Oh. Yeah. Oh man, I do not want to make a mess in here. Oh gosh. Oh boy, I'm breaking it. Oh my gosh. You're all probably laughing at me, aren't you? Come on. Seriously. Oh, that one's moving a little bit. Oh, did I get it? Oh. Ooh, ooh, hey, ooh, oh. Ah, I hate blowing ashes in there. Okay, let's try this again. Come on! At least they're calm this time. I'm not getting stung a whole bunch of times. But holy cow, come on. Oh crap. Yep, why not? Let's see, that looked like it went in there. There's the hole for that one. There you go. Oh boy. Tearing some frames here, our comb. I just want to fix this. That's all. Oh, yeah. Yes. There's the there it is. Oh, that's a dead one. Okay. It's getting there. Success. Oh, yes. Now what is going on? Why are you not doing the thing? Come on, lay flat. What is... Oh, I do not want to have to do this. I don't want to stick my whole hand in there. Oh, I broke the little knob. I'm glad these are honey frames. Because if my queen was in here, which she could be, I don't know. Let me give me some more room though. Ow, I squished another one. Okay, I know. I don't want to take a chance of hurting my queen here. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Whew, there's some brood. And there's some eggs. Oh, thank goodness. I looked in there and I didn't see anything. I was like, uh-oh. Oh, there she... Man, she is fat. That is a big girl. Check this queen out. She is a beast. Right there. Let's see if I can get there. Look how fat she is. She's a big girl. It's a big one. Okay. Alright, put this one here to protect her. Okay, back to what I was doing. Let me show you what I'm trying to do here. So you're all just wondering, what are you doing? Alright, so I'm trying to move this over. The only thing I managed to do is tilt it. It's all honey. These are all honey. And the reason why I'm doing that is because there's so much room in with these blanks that they've built on a queen excluder. And then, sorry, I broke that thing. They've connected these two together. See that? And same thing with this. They've cross-combed these three. So I'm going to slowly work them over, and then this spring I'm just going to get rid of them or clean it up. Alright, so back to what I was doing. Now I'm just trying to, do the thing. Get the bottom to do that. I'm having trouble, if you haven't noticed. So I'm just trying to lift them all together. Oh my gosh. Ooh, maybe if I do this. No? It's that queen excluders holding me up, I believe. There we you go. Lifted it a hair. How many of you all are cringing at me right now? Hi, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it for a second there. Oh, sweet. There you go. Ah, I did it. Okay. So let's get this. Put that there. And maybe one blank. Take up that room right there. Oh yeah, perfect. That is what I wanted to do. Now why is this not going down? There it goes. I did it. Moved it 2 frames over. Doesn't seem like a lot to you, but that was huge for me. Like I said, slowly going to move those over. Will I be able to do it again this year? Probably not. But whatever. I am going to close these girls up. I think that should be it. It's good. So, yeah, I'm sure a lot of you are cringing on that. It only got stung, what, once? That's good. That's good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I am. This movie's all over because there's not a whole lot of bees on this side, and I closed up the entrance over there. And I need to move this over a little bit more. Oh wait, no, this was just laying here like that. Okay. Yeah, I know, I smacked it again. Yeah. So they're doing alright. They got a lot of honey queens in there laying like crazy. So that's good. I got a little worried there for a second. I moved a couple more frames and I noticed there was no brood. I'm like, uh-oh. But there was brood. There was just eggs. So that's good. And yeah, I think I'm done. All my other hives are good. I'm pretty sure. I mean, there's a lot of activity. A lot of activity going on. So far this year, I only lost 1 hive. And it was my split hive where I had a split queen. I was hoping she'd make it to spring, but she didn't. That's just the risk you take running a split queen. Split queens are not very good. My experiences. You may have had different experiences, but not me. I have not had any good experience with a split queen. So, yeah, I took all the salvageable frames out of it, and I spread apart all the other ones, and hopefully the wax moths don't do too much damage in there. If they do, whatever. I just have to put new wax strips in there. Or I don't know, I'm thinking about going to plastic. Wax strips are okay, I like it, but when you got to redo a frame, it's a pain in the butt. So I might reconsider changing over to all plastic. Not the plastic frames, the plastic foundation. So anyway, that should do it. I'm rambling again. You got to see a turtle. Cool. Right? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, it's Halloween. I can't wait to dress up. I got some good ideas. I'll show you. I'm going to video me and the kids. And I'll put it on there. You all can see it. It's pretty cool. So I'll see you later. See ya!